Hey, John Ferguson Smart here. A lot of people post or ask questions about what is the best test automation framework to use for their project. And they present pros and cons for different frameworks, Cypress or Playwright or Selenium or whatever the latest tool is. But the thing you've got to remember when you're choosing a test automation framework is, what are you comfortable with right now? What can you use to automate your tests at an acceptance test level, at a more granular unit test level, as I call them, macro executable specifications or micro executable specifications, at all the levels you need to test? What are the tools you are comfortable with, you and your team right now? Because an automated test or an automated test suite that is running and delivering value and verifying things in your CI pipeline right now is 100 times more valuable than an automation framework that might be up and running and with everybody trained in 3 or 6 months' time. So you'll have time to evaluate different frameworks and evaluate different options, but get something going right now. Get into the habit of making automation a normal part of your development process. Get some tests written, get some tests out the door, get some automation in place, and then you can fine tune. Don't overthink the initial steps.